Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download all of your Google data. It's very simple and fast. First, you can go to your browser and type accounts Google and it will be like this. There is a Google accounts page, you can click it. And then first you have to make sure you log into the right account. And now in this page you can go to data and privacy. Then now you scroll down until you find data from apps and services you use. And then there is content saved from Google services. You can click it. And now as you can see, you can download all of your data like calendar, Google Play, Gmail, Drive, even YouTube. You can choose whatever you want, maybe maps. And let's say I want to download my maps data. You can click download. And then now there is all the data you can download, or you can select it or deselect it. Let's say I will choose next step here. And then you can choose the destination. Maybe you want to get the link in your email or add to Drive or Dropbox, whatever you want. And you can choose the frequency, the file type also, and then the file size. If you want to it's very big, you can choose 4 GB, and then you can click create export. And you have to wait maybe hours or maybe a few days to wait Google to gather all your information. That's it.